Yo, what is going on, my awesome Arabic learners? It's your boy Ayman, back with another fire Arabic lesson. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single beat of this incredible language journey. Today, we're going to learn more Arabic. We're not just learning a little bit, we're going to learn a lot of new and exciting things. Did you know that Arabic is spoken by over 400 million people worldwide? That's right, guys. It's a global language with a rich history and a vibrant culture. Imagine being able to connect with people from all corners of the world and understanding their stories, their traditions, their music. And that's just the beginning. With Arabic, you can unlock a whole new world of opportunities, travel, business, friendships, you name it. But first, we gotta master the basics, and that's exactly what we're gonna do today. Let's talk about the Arabic alphabet. It's got 28 letters, and some of them might look a little funky at first, but don't worry, we will break it down nice and easy. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Arabic letters like to hold hands. They connect to each other to form words, and it's like magic. Arabic letters have different forms depending on their position in a word. Initial, at the beginning of a word, medial, in the middle of a word, final at the end of a word. Alright, let's get up close and personal with these Arabic letters and all their fabulous forms. حرف الألف ألف This one's a bit sneaky. It doesn't really have a sound on its own, but it's super important. It's like a hidden power in the alphabet. ألف It only has one form, no matter where it is in a word. أنف أنف Nose, pronounced أنف. ماذا What, pronounced ماذا دع To invite or call, pronounced دعا with a quick stop at the end. دعا باء Easy peasy, this one just like the bee in ball. Pause the video. Go ahead, give it a try. Bah. Awesome. This one's got the full wardrobe. Bab means door. Remember this one. It's bab with equal stress on both syllables. Kabir means big, pronounced kabir. Kabir. Qarib means near or close, pronounced qarib. قريب حرف التاء تاء Another familiar friend. This is the same as the T in top. Pause the video. You got this. Ta. Perfect. This one's got some style. Tamr means date. Tamr. Kataba means he wrote. Kataba. Bait means house. حرف الثاء ثاء This one's a bit tricky. It's like that in thin, but a little softer. Pause the video. Take your time. You're doing great. Tha. See, you're a natural. Tha. keeping it classy. ثلاثة ثلاثة means 3. بثور بثور means blisters. بثور. ليث ليث means lion, or to be precise, the son of the lion. حرف الجيم جيم جيم. This sounds like the J and jam. Pause the video, say it with me. Jim, Jim. Nailed it. Looking good. Jim. جديد جديد means new. Pronounced جديد, like جديد جديد. مجنون 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 means crazy. Pronounced مجنون مجنون. معالج معالج means processor. حرف الحاء حاء حاء. Okay, this one's a bit different. It's a sound made in the back of your throat, kind of like when you're trying to fog up a mirror. I know it's new, but you can do it. Ha ha. Amazing. Always stylish. حق حق means right. محبة 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 means love. فتح فتح means he opened. حرف الخاء خاء خاء. This one's even deeper in your throat. Think of it like the sound you make when you're trying to clear your throat, but a bit softer. Pause the video. Don't be shy, give it a shot. Kha, kha. You are a rock star. Kha, kha. Rocking the variations. Khair, khair means good or goodness. Khair, pronounced khair. مخزن مخزن means storehouse or warehouse, pronounced مخزن مخزن مخزن. فرخ فرخ means chick. حرف الدال دال د. Back to the easy ones. This is just like the D in dog. Pause the video, say it loud and proud. Da dal. Fantastic. Dal. Simple and chic. Dars dars means lesson. Lesson, pronounced dars dars. Medina Medina means city, pronounced Medina Medina Medina. Wa'd wa'd, promise, pronounced wa'd wa'd. حرف الذال ذ. This one's like the th in this, but a little softer. Th. Pause the video, you're getting so good at this. Dhal, wonderful. Dhal, 3 cool looks. ذهب 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 means gold, pronounced ذهب ذهب. بذور بذور means seeds. رذاذ 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 means spray. حرف الراء حرف الراء راء. This one has a nice rolling sound to it. Roll that R. This is a rolled R, like in Spanish or Italian. Pause the video. Show me what you've got. Ra, ra, ra. Impressive. Rajul. Rajul means man. Pronounced Rajul, Rajul. Madrasa. Madrasa means school. Pronounced Madrasa, Madrasa. Qamar. Qamar means moon. Pronounced Qamar, Qamar. حرف الزاي زاي z. Simple as can be. You sound almost exactly like the Z in zoo or zebra. Pause the video. Say it with confidence. Zay. Yes. Zayt. Zayt means oil. Pronounced Zayt. 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 Aziz. Aziz means dear or precious. Pronounced Aziz. Aziz. Mouse. Banana. Pronounced mouse. حرف السين سين. Another easy one. This is like the S in sun. Pause the video. Shine bright like the sun. Seen. Beautiful. Samak. Samak means fish. Pronounced Samak. Samak. Ism. Ism means name. Pronounced Ism. 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 Nafs. Nafs means self or soul. Pronounced Nafs. Nafs. حرف الشين Sheen. This one's a praise. They sound just like the sh in shab. Pause the video. Smooth ceiling. Sheen. Excellent. Shams. Shams means sun. Pronounced Shams. Shams. Asha. Asha means dinner. Pronounced Sha. Isha. Asha. Qirsh. Qirsh means shark. Shark. Pronounced Qirsh. Qirsh. حرف الصاد صاد. This one's a bit unique. It's kind of like a really strong S sound made with the back of your tongue. Pause the video. You're a pronunciation pro. Sod. Sod. Outstanding. Not seen. Not S. It's Sod. Strong and connected. Sabr. Sabr mean patience, pronounced with a strong emphatic S sound. Qisas. Qisas means stories, pronounced qisas. 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 Naqs. Naqs means lack, pronounced naqs. Naqs.
Now we have learned half of the Arabic letters, which are 14 in number, and there are 14 letters left that we will get to know in the second part. So, subscribe to the channel to be the first to know when the second video is published. Let's continue this exciting journey of learning the Arabic language together.